What a condo! Imagine coming home and relaxing by the bay after a long day. Or, imagine having no lawn work or outside maintenance. Love to entertain? This unit is located a few steps from the pool and has a fabulous kitchen/dining area that flows nicely from the oversized main living room. Check out the photos. Experience the easy-going condo life in this fantastic unit. The owner's suite is large with a door to the upper deck with a pool view. There is a bonus room downstairs that could be a second living room/office/man cave/formal dining, so many options. It definitely offers additional space for entertaining or family gatherings. Bedrooms and 2 full baths are located upstairs with a half bath downstairs.